Hey guys, after waiting for so long, finally I got the background verification mail from Wipro. So in this video I will tell you starting to end procedure or how to fill background verification mail of the Wipro. For me it took around 1.5 hour, but for you it will take around 30 minutes if you will watch this video. So before getting into the computer screen, let me tell you the list of the document you will be required. So you will be required final year mark sheet, consolidated mark sheet, transcript, degree certificate and high school certificate. So for filling your class 10th and class 12 details, you will be required high school certificate, which can be your class 10 mark sheet, class 12 mark sheet. And for your college detail, you are required final year mark sheet, consolidated mark sheet, transcript and degree certificate. So between four, anyone is required. So I have put transcript for college and 10th mark sheet and 12th mark sheet for school details. Then coming to another set of document. So between this you required only one: valid passport, voter ID, driving license, ration card, utility bill, Aadhaar card, bank statement, bank passport, hostel receipt. So from this list you required 3 documents. So that was the document preparation. Now let's get into the computer screen. So you have got a mail from Wipro notification. You have to click the link, then you have to reset your password, and after that you can log in into your account. After logging into the account, you will be prompted with these 3 things you need to fill. So this is very important, please listen it carefully. So your name, you need to write your full name in capital letters in your name, and in your signature you need to write your name in sentence case. So for your name you have to write in uppercase, for your signature you need to write in sentence case, and then date is there. Many students are putting their date of birth, which is wrong. The date should be today's date. Like I am making the video on 3rd September, so I should write 03092025. So whenever you are filling the form, you should write the date of the date. You should write that date only. So after filling these 3 detail, you have to click on bottom left, that is acknowledgement, and in the bottom right you have to click accept. After you click accept, your name, signature, date of birth will be deleted and you have to fill it again in the form, but this time in the bottom right there will be option of open scratch pad. You have to click it, this window will open, then you have to sign with your finger on your laptop trackpad. If you have stylus you can use stylus, but if you don't have stylus you can use your finger. You can do multiple attempt like sign, then clear, sign, clear. When you get a perfect signature you have to click save. Remember, when you click save, I don't think so you can redo the signature. So before clicking save, please do multiple attempt of your signature so that a perfect signature can be found can be made. After you click save, then click next, then your personal details window will open. Here everything will be filled: your nationality, your name, your date of birth, your gender, everything will be filled. Just you have to fill your marital status, that is single or married something. For many people there's a error in the date of birth, like it's showing I think 1990 something. I think the issue is from their end, so do not worry, you can save next and fill the remaining details. So after filling the details you have to click save and next, then it will open to education details. Due to community strike on my channel, I am not showing the full screen recording because every time I'd receive a strike, and if this time I receive a strike my channel will be deleted, so I'm not taking any risk at all. So in the education detail you have to first fill your highest education. So currently you are in college, so first fill your college details, your start date of the college, your end date of the college, college name, country. After that, when you click save or next, it will prompt you to add 10th and 12th details as well. So please fill 10th and 12th details. The same question will be there, start date, end. And as I have said in the starting part of the video, for the college you can upload your consolidated mark sheet or transcript, and for the school you have to upload high school certificate like your mark sheet. So these 3 documents for 10th, 12th and college. So 3 PDF should be uploaded in this section. So after that click save and next, then we will go to work experience. So actually this is little confusing, like many people are confused whether they should put internship as their work experience or not. So in my case I did an externship which was unpaid. So initially I start off selecting yes I had a work experience, but in the stipend they were asking I think in cash or bank. So but it was an unpaid for me, so there was no option for unpaid. So I think they are not considering internship as work experience. That's like I'm thinking, I'm not sure. So I've clicked on no and then clicked on save and next. Then coming to address, you have to fill two type of address, your present address and your permanent address. If they are same, then you have to click, then you have to select yes, both are same, then you need to fill only once. So after filling your addresses, you have to again upload document, which I have said earlier. You can read the list from here. And then we have last option which says other information. This is also a tricky section. Here we have to fill three entries. One is ID document number 1, ID document number 2, and PAN number. So PAN number everyone filled. For ID number 1 and 2, I have used Perplexity or I have browsed the internet, so they were telling that you have to fill your Aadhaar number or driving license, like anything apart from PAN card, because PAN card details you need to fill it here. So I filled Aadhaar card and driving license number in ID1, ID2, and in the third column we have PAN card number, so I filled my PAN details. And then you have to upload provide one document as per instruction. So first I uploaded PAN card, and when I click submit, it said upload more or something. So then I upload driving license. So I upload two document like PDF file, and when I click submit, it was roaming, and it said background verification has been submitted successfully. And one issue other are facing is like some education overlapping or internship overlapping. So I think it's from their end. So in the remark you can write that it was not a work, it was an internship, or it was an unpaid internship. You can clarify in the remark section as well and click on submit. Nothing will happen. So yeah, that was a quick background verification of the Wipro. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.